Hello students. Let's read and write. Listen carefully and repeat. Read and write. Write the missing numbers. 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 50. Write the numbers that comes after the given number. 42, 42, 43, 43, 49, 49, 50, 50, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, 45, 45, 46, 46. Write the numbers that comes before the given number. 40, 40, 41, 41, 49, 49, 50, 50, 46, 46, 47, 47, 42, 42, 43, 43, 47, 47, 48, 48. Write the numbers that comes in between the given numbers. 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 39, 39, 40, 40, 41, 41, 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 50, 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45. Write greater than, less than, or equal to. 42, 42 is greater than 24, 24. 48, 48 is equal to 48, 48. 37, 37 is less than 47, 47. 43, 43 is less than 46, 46. 41, 41 is less than 44, 44. 49, 49 is greater than 42. Happy learning!